how to unhide chats on Pinterest. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of missing out on conversations, you're in the right place because today I'm going to show you how to unhide chats on Pinterest. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. First of all, what you have to do is open up your Pinterest app and make sure that you're logged in. Then you'll see your profile icon on the bottom right. Tap on it. Then you'll see three dots on the top right. Go ahead and tap on it and tap on settings. Now tap on social permissions and activity. After that, tap on message settings. And then toggle on the allow others to message my business. After it's on, your friends, followers, following, and everyone else can message you and you won't miss out on any conversations. And that's it. If you want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video with more tips and tricks like this.